Welcome back to the S21 build and the Project 2 shop. To be honest, I'm a bit burnt out on composite work, and while I have been working on the cowl, I thought I'd shoot something different just to break up the monotony with some visual progress to keep me motivated as well as you interested in the progress. What you're looking at here is all the parts that make up the rudder pedals, and the plan is to mix a few of my hobbies and see what comes out. I dabble in the Cerakote world from time to time, and if you've seen this giant kiln over in the corner, well, that's what that's all about. I've never done something that isn't for a pew-pew or directly related to it, but the use of Cerakote is gaining popularity amongst many other crowds, to include the automotive world, so there really isn't any reason it won't work out for me here. Now, I'm most familiar with the H-series coating, which is a bake-on finish. It's got some impressive resilience, so I do encourage you to go check it out if you want to know more about that. I treated these parts just like any other part that I've coated, a quick pass through the blast cabinet using aluminum oxide, and then a good clean with acetone. Then I spray it up and cook it for about an hour at 300 degrees. That's what's coming up. I'll jump back in when I get to the next step. Alright, fresh out of the oven and allowed to cool back down, I just Cleco it together and started shooting the rivets. I'm also adding a bit of 3M grip tape to the surface, and this is one of those times when necessity results in a pretty cool outcome, since the pattern after clearancing for the rivets looks kinda neat. I'm not going to install these in the plane just yet, but it's one more check mark in a previously empty box, and one more step closer to finishing this build. I really appreciate everyone's time, and I love the interaction below in the comments section. So be sure to let me know what you think about these pedals, and I'll see you on the next update real soon.